And again, sorry for this, Abdusattor, but we will distribute the note as soon as possible. Thank you very much, Mrs. Lewis, also for being with us. Of Somali refugees newly arrived, and
this assessment is still underway and is meant to be completed in time for the EU-convened donor conference in Brussels, scheduled for the 16th of March. But already it's clear that the damages alone will amount to more than $100 billion.
We need the notes.
Yeah, I understand you need the notes. That's
the cost that we have on
we see the death toll now having exceeded 46,000 people, with that expected still to rise. IOM has counted the number of displaced people at 2.7 million, which is around 20% of the region's entire population. And we have a new update on the number of destroyed buildings, which is 214,000, with more than 600,000 independent apartments and offices contained in those buildings. So the needs are vast, but the resources are scarce. So while we're anticipating an enthusiastic response from the donors at this donor conference in the middle of March, UNDP is very concerned to get started with the early recovery efforts. We see this needs to come from day one of any disaster in order to put back together the basic elements of a normal life in every community. It's very difficult to imagine that now in some of the communities where every single building will need to be demolished if it hasn't collapsed already.
Jointly work together in streamlining exercise to actually to save the costs.
Voices in the back. I'm afraid it would not be very useful to